Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make any document files unviewable in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say here I have one document file, or you can say a text file. So let me open it. So you can see there is something written inside it, right? So right now we can view it. So how you can make it unviewable? So for this, what you need to do, just select the document file that you want to make unviewable and just right click on it and just click on this properties. Now here you can see on the above security tab, just click on it, and here you can see edit, just click on it, and now just select your username, and after that you can see here below just under the read. So right now it has been click on allowed. Now just click on this deny and just click on apply, click on yes, click on OK, click on OK. Now let us try to open or try to view this document again. So just double left click it. So you can see here you don't have permission to open this file. See the owner of the file or administration to obtain permission. So if you click on OK, it will just show you the notepad but not the text or the words that is being written or typed inside the document file. So if you want to make it viewable again, just right click on the same document and just click on this properties, click on this security again, click on this edit, and just select your username and just untick this deny option, click on apply, click on OK, click on OK. Now let us try to view this document file again. Now it is being viewable. So using these cool tricks, you can make any document files unviewable in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.